Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, February 16th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. And today, looking at the economic calendar, we see that the FOMC is going to make an announcement at 2:30. So we want to watch for that. We want to be prepared. And I would advise you, if you are new to trading, or even if you are moderately seasoned, I would not be in the market just before the FOMC announcement and hold off until the market stabilizes. Moving over to the morning's news. Now, the morning news basically doesn't give you what's really going on today. Now, what's really going on is that there was some noise that Russia is going to invade Ukraine today or make a modified invasion. We don't know. There's been reports of electronic warfare going on with Russia shutting down some of the important websites in Ukraine. Will it be a shooting war? Well, that remains to be seen. I don't see it in the news this morning. Stock futures slightly down after major averages snap a three-day losing streak. Now, what was the three-day losing streak? Well, right here, and I'm going to go back a little bit, this was Monday's trading, and a Monday night, market snapped up and basically stayed there through Tuesday. Now, this was Tuesday's regular session. I have my trading zone blocked out over here. Prior to this news coming out, the prices were coming in right at Monday's close. So that was that's a price target. Closing price of the previous day is always a price target, together with my support and resistance lines in my daily trading zone. And I like to use targets because the market knows where it wants to go. And I calculate these trading zone targets every day, and the market typically trades within that trading zone. Now, today I made my trading zone calculations and I sent them out to the subscribers of my trading zone report, and I would advise you to check it out. There's these numbers are proven over 75 years, and I use Taylor's book method plus some other smoothing averages, and these measure the market breadth over a period of days and apply averages to them, and we generally get a pretty good picture of where the market is going to trade on any given day. The market did not trade to the trading zone yesterday. I'm sure it would have, and it was going to just prior to this news that Russia had pulled back some of its forces. We don't know. At any rate, today being FOMC day, typically FOMC day is pretty stable with a couple of wrinkles in the morning session and during the day up until the FOMC announcement. And then there's a wide volatility, so that's why I recommend that you hold off. At any rate, if you don't know where the market is going, or if you don't have an idea of a sense of direction, I would advise you not to trade or just paper trade until you get comfortable with your trading and gauging of the market. At any rate, let's hope for a good day today. This is Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.